Hello guys, I hope you're okay. Just want to share my last week's trades with you, but I couldn't catch all the moves on the screenshot, but I have some trades to show you. So let's start. All right. These are my trades. This is one trade showing 15 pips in profit. Another one is showing 48. These are three trades, 48. As far as I remember, these are 1 minute time frames. And it's a New York session. And this 48 pips in this trade are showing, and these are three trades altogether. For this next, we're reaching the resistance level, and probably at that time I have closed the trade. And here I have to close the trade just on here, because in 1 minute there's an evening star made on the level. And similarly, there's three more trades showing 38 pips in profit. So that's it for now, and I hope this motivates you. If you have any questions or comments, please do come back to me. Thank you. Bye-bye.